Ukrainian authorities in Vovchansk, a town on the border with Russia and close to where Russian partisans said they had captured several Russian soldiers during a cross-border raid, said 2 people were killed in shelling on June 4. Residents told Reuters 2 women were killed when shells exploded in front of their homes. There were pools of blood on the ground. A pro-Ukraine group of Russian partisans on Sunday said it had captured several soldiers during a cross-border raid into southern Russia and would hand them over to Ukrainian authorities. The Russian Volunteer Corps made the claim in a video statement released on Telegram in the wake of a raid into the Russian region of Belgorod. The Corps, along with fighters from the Freedom of Russia Legion, has claimed responsibility for a spate of attacks inside Russian territory, including last week when Moscow said 2 civilians were killed during fighting.
Я так розумію, там вже якраз кафетня, да?
Вот, смотрите, тут убила насмерть, а тут женщину ранила.
Ти що, спав? Кока спав?